Hello students of Windsor Elementary. Today I'm going to review the procedure for using Destiny to look up your AR books. From the Windsor Elementary page, if you will click on the link and come down to Destiny. Once you get into Destiny, click on the Windsor Elementary School. Notice here that you could use your login name and password to log in, but you don't have to right now because I'm just demonstrating to you how to use Destiny to look up your AR book. Here where it says narrow your search, you want to go down to the material type, and here you'll pull down the menu and click on book because that's what we're looking for, books. Come all the way down, leave everything else as is, come down to reading programs and click on AR, accelerated reader. Here where it says AR level, this is where you're going to put your ZPD range. The ZPD range was given to you by your teacher when you took your STAR test. So when you get here, for example, here, let's say your ZPD range is 2.0 to 3.0. And we're looking for books with a point value of 1.0 to 2.0. And you can go higher if you want to. You may want to discuss that with your teacher. Once you get this typed in, then you may hit your enter button. Now you're in the catalog. Okay, let's look at the first book that we see. The first one we see is called The Absent Author. Up here, that's your title. Under the title is your call number. And your call number is the address of the book. It's where the book is located in the library. For example, we know the FIC is fiction, and the ROY is the last three letters in the author's last name. Of course, this author's last name is Roy, so it takes all three of his letters, but that's fine. Alright, you're going to pretend that the library is a town, such as Windsor. And let's say you're trying to find the absent author in the library, but you don't really know the address. Think of it as Windsor Elementary. You come to Windsor, and that's the big town of Windsor, and the school is there. Well, you know the school is in Windsor, but if you're new to Windsor, you won't know where it is, so you'll need the address. You'll need the 104 Cooper Hill Road. Well, it's the same way with the library. Pretend that the library is your town, and you need to know the address. You need to know whether the book's in the fiction, if it's in nonfiction, or if it's in easy, or maybe it's a biography. But either way, if you know the call number, it'll be easier for us to find. On this side where it says 0 of 2 available, this means that we have 2 books in the library with the title The Absent Author, but at this time neither one of them is available. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down and find one that is available, maybe one that you're interested in. Okay, let's say Author Writes a Story. That's a good book. We'll come down. We see here what you'll need to do first. You can look over here and you can tell that it is one of 2 that is available. So one of them, Author Writes a Story, is in the library. So you will write down the title, Author Writes a Story. You will make sure that you write down the call number, which we just said was the address of the book. And it'll help me a little bit if you write down the author for just in case. Okay. Now, in order to search it, you can come back up at the top. The pages are up at the top. You can click on page 2 and get another page, or go all the way up to, I can see up to 6 pages here, and then you can click on your pages, scroll down, and find books that you're interested in. And then you'll write those down and you'll bring it to me and I'll guide you in the right direction. Or you may even already know, since we've kind of been through this before. Now, over on the left hand side, there is also Destiny Quest. It's coming, my computer's a little slow. Okay, and in Destiny Quest, you can look and you can see the top 10 books in. And if you just touch the numbers, they'll show you which ones, like 1, 2, 3, 4. They'll give you the name of the book, the author's name, and also the call number. Over here, you can see the new arrivals. When we get new books in the library, you can see all of them over on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them will show up. Resource list will be where you can add your list. If you were logged in, then here you could add list of books that you'll be interested in reading, and then you could come in and check and look over here and find that list and click on your books and see if they're in or not, or if they're available for you. Also at Destiny Quest, up at the top, if you'll click on Advanced Search, down here at the bottom, it says Limit My Search. And since I'm showing you how to search for your AR books here, if you hit choose here and click on Accelerated Reader, and you can do the same thing here. You put your ZPD range here, and let's say this person's ZPD range is going to run from 3.0 to 5.0, and then the point value here, my mouse is kind of bouncing around. Okay, let's say the point value here, let's say from 2.0 to 5.0, and then this time you'll hit the word go, and when you click on go, and what it'll do is it's going to pull in those books from that range, and you can look right at the book. You can tell whether it's in or whether it's lost, or if it's some of them maybe just out from being checked out. And you can do the same thing here. You can write down your author, write down your title, write down your call number and your author. So you could do the same here, and you can scroll up and down. I was trying to see. Oh, right here is your next button, where you can click next, so that you won't be looking at the same and looking at the same books. You go along. A lot of times students will only look at the first page, and everybody will come in with the same book written down. So here, if you use your next button, you can find books that are in, out, ask. Okay, so that will be it for today. If you have any questions on how to use Destiny or Destiny Quest to find your AR book, please stop by and see me. Any questions on how to use Destiny? And you don't only have to use Destiny at school. You can use Destiny and Destiny Quest at home. Have a wonderful day.